Welcome into our Thanksgiving Black Friday giveaway, guys. Happy Thanksgiving, happy Black Friday to all of you guys. Hope you guys had, great family time. It's a bear market, it's tough out there in the investment world, but don't forget what matters. What truly matters, family, quality time. I really hope you guys had a good one. I had a great time as well. So guys, today's video, the purpose of it is all about selecting our giveaway winners. There were clear rules that I made a video about it, and we promoted it on our Twitter, on our social networks. So we had a couple of participants. We appreciate it very much. I appreciate it very much, those that took some of your time to actually participate in our free Thanksgiving Black Friday giveaway, guys. So today's video, again, if you haven't done so already, make sure you guys subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that subscribe button, on the notification bell, to stay tuned for our fresh off the press free educational videos and videos such as these, with free giveaways, guys. Who doesn't want free cash? So stay tuned for that. And guys, we have a free educational playlist. In the link in the description down below, you'll find a link over to the free educational videos, man. A lot of different cryptocurrency themes that you would want to educate yourselves about. Make sure you guys swing by. You won't regret it. So guys, immediately we respect we're the integrity of the giveaway. So we're gonna record it on this video. We're gonna choose the winners, and then excuse me, immediately we're gonna communicate with the winners via Twitter DM, guys. So for this, the rules for this was that we were gonna choose our winners based on retweets, and then in December we're gonna have a fresh, brand new giveaway, Christmas giveaway. Excuse me, guys. We don't do editing, so apologize for that. But again, and then the next one in December is gonna be about followers. Okay, so if you follow me on Twitter, I'm gonna choose from our long list of followers, a couple hundred people, and we're gonna choose 2 winners from that. But for today, it was the retweets. Okay, so this was the the Twitter post. Again, Black Friday community giveaway. This will be the official post for the giveaway. Please follow the instructions, like, retweet, and comment below. So most of you guys commented your addresses here, and you liked it. I appreciate it. More likes than retweets, so that's good. And then we have the retweets here. So again, I appreciate the support. Hope you guys, the people that are new, enjoy the channel. A lot of great educational content in here. So we're gonna take this link, and we're gonna come over here, and we're gonna click on retweets, paste the link, click start. Okay, so we're gonna choose 2 winners, guys. That was part of the rules. Here we have the list of participants down here, and again, this algorithm is going to choose the winners for us, and then I'm going to communicate with you guys through Twitter DM to provide you guys with your cash prizes. So we're going to click on confirm here. Here are the participants once again, and I'm going to click start. All right, the moment of the truth. 2, 1, and all right. Congratulations to our 2 participants here. You guys are the winners of our cash prize giveaways. If you didn't win this time, again, we're gonna have one in December. We really appreciate the support. So let's actually go to the tweet here. So I have you here, and I have your address here, and then where are you? Here, right here. All right, God bless you too, friend. You are the winner. So you are 2 winners up and down here. I'm gonna communicate with you guys, and congratulations. Thanks for the support. Thanks for following the directions. And again, if you didn't win this time, in December, in under 30 days, give or take a couple of days, we're gonna have a fresh, brand new giveaway, Christmas giveaway. Christmas is a beautiful time, just like Thanksgiving. All right, so don't be sad. We have more giveaways coming, but at the end of the day, I just want you guys to enjoy my educational content on our channel, guys. Also, swing by our website. We have our our social networks here, investment tools and resources for entrepreneurs. Don't forget to subscribe. And again, we're definitely gonna keep you guys informed, tuned, so you guys can stay tuned for the next giveaway in about 30 days, give or take. So guys, if you enjoy this type of content, like the video, subscribe. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Congratulations, happy Thanksgiving, and happy Black Friday. All right, take care, guys.